Jax, what's today?
I'm going to California.
Yeah. Paul, what's today?
Championship football.
Yeah, guys, it's a busy day at our house. The day has finally come. Jackson and I are headed to sunny San Diego for Thanksgiving.
This needs to go with you, and that one needs to go in the seat right behind the driver's seat for
What?
Jack.
You're adorable. Brock thinks he's...
All right, I'll come kiss you guys and we'll let the dog in.
Okay.
Go till I come kiss you.
Okay, we won't, Mom. We won't. Jax, you got this. Guys, this is Jackson's first time ever on an airplane. Well, he went when he was a little baby, but that doesn't count because he doesn't remember it. So I am so excited to be the one to take him on this trip. And it's going to be so fun. We're way excited. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Broccoli! Come on. Jax. Show me your biggest smile. Is that your California smile? Yeah. Hey, car seat in. Jax, oh, what are you doing, bro? Okay, I guess we're taking that.
And put Stacy's suitcase in.
That's actually Jackson's.
Oh, is it? Okay.
This is Stacy's.
Yep.
Oh, and
No.
Okay, Jax. Okay, guys, I'm headed out. Mom's
For
gonna miss me.
Thanksgiving.
I know. This is my second Thanksgiving in a row that I haven't been home.
I know. Way to plan that.
I know. But are you okay? Guys, we have to ask Mom. Are you okay with me taking Jackson on his first airplane ride?
I'm having a hard time with that one.
It's okay.
That's okay. No, actually, he went with me when he was a baby.
That's what I said, but this is the first one, so.
Yay! I need one more kiss.
What?
How do airplanes stay in the sky?
They have this special air that can go really fast, but you can't see it.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah.
I bet that brownie Santa is making you smarter, huh? Yeah, good. Let's go to California, okay?
Okay.
Now Dad's gonna give us a brief 2-second answer on how airplanes really stay in the air.
The laws of aerodynamics.
There we go, people. Look it up. Guys, look! Salt Lake International Airport, exit 115B. That's us. Oh, Jaxie! Are you so excited? Dad giving Jackson a pep talk.
No parking waiting is allowed. Unattended vehicles will be ticketed
Yes,
and
you do
towed.
it right away because your seatbelt will keep you in your seat, okay? And then if they tell you to look out the window, you can look out the window and see the ground all the way down there, okay? All right?
You're okay, give Dad a hug, goodbye.
Okay. I sure love you, bud. I love you so much. Will you do me a big favor? Will you give Brian and Tracy and Kyrie and Cambria and Peyton a big love for me, okay? And give them a big kiss.
You guys, we made it to the airport. Can you believe it? We're flying Southwest. We're gonna go and get to California, huh? We're gonna go through security right now. You don't have any fireworks, do you? Good. Guys, we made it through security. Right, Jax? Was it scary? No, it was easy, huh? You just had to smile big. Grab your jacket. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Woo! See, it moves by itself, but it makes you walk faster. Jackson was determined to come and get some nuggets and fries at the airport. He had heard that there was food you can buy at the airport, and so he was like, we have to buy it. So we're stopping here, getting some food before we hop on our plane. Jackson's trying sweet and sour sauce. Yummy?
Yummy.
You like it? I knew you would. What is it?
A double nugget.
A double nugget? Does it taste any different? The same? Just as delicious? You like that neck pillow?
Yeah.
Want to get this one?
Yeah. That's cool.
Jax, what did you just get? Turn around and show me. A neck pillow and it came with a blanket. Can you believe it? Okay, guess what we do with your neck pillow? We hook it onto your backpack so you don't have to carry it around.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Oh, how's that? Is that better? We live in the airport so far. We're on the moving sidewalk. We eaten, got in your neck pillow. Ready to go to California? No wonder you're distracted, Jax. So I have never traveled with a little kid before. It has actually been surprisingly easy. Going through security was super easy, and then we got a snack and then we're going to the plane. Come on. Okay, now here's the rule. When you get to the plane, guess what you have to do?
Stay with you all the time.
Touch it on the outside for good luck, right?
Yeah.
Have to do it for good luck. Okay? Do it. Use your hand and then the plane. Touch the plane.
You must be the curly hair dog. I know.
Good luck. We made it onto our airplane. Ready? Oh, you're so excited.
Can I put the sound down?
No, not until we're in the air. Okay? Because. Oh, good job.
If you haven't flown with us here before at Southwest,
This
we
way.
have open seating. So once you found that favorite seat, please step out of the airway so that others can pass you. It's going to be a fairly full flight. We'll have about 20 open seats.
I'm not
You can use some favorites for your larger carry-ons with the overhead
There we
bins
go.
with the
Okay,
face outwards.
now. Oh, it's all twisted.
Purses under the seat in front of you.
Pull it tight.
We still have a couple rows in the back that are open, so come on down.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Guys, we haven't taken off yet, but we have to ask Jaxon again to check in. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you excited to see Brian and Tracy? Okay, here we go. We're about to take off.
Please look at that.
Isn't that cool? Have you ever seen it before? Yeah, that's her. A little bit of nerves. We came fully packed with toys, snacks, crayons, egg surprises, stuff to put on the windows because it's about an hour and a half flight and I want to make sure that he has tons of things to do the entire time. We bought these cleaning stickers. They're gonna you stick them to the wall, to the window. So I think that's supposed to be a Christmas tree.
Oh, yeah. You ready?
Yeah, silly. Jaxon, what's
What?
about to happen?
We're landing
You excited? 'Cause where
Yeah.
are we landing?
at California.
No, but what city?
In California. San Diego.
Yeah.
We're landing in San Diego.
Guys, we're totally driving, but look at Jax. Totally passed out in the back seat while we were in the middle of Los Angeles traffic. Okay, you guys, so I am stopped in traffic. We made it to San Diego. We got off the plane and Jaxon was so excited and it's been great. I'm headed up about an hour and a half away to go pick up my niece and nephews, our twin 4-year-olds, Peyton and Cambria, and they're so cute, so adorable, and I'm really excited to go see them. And we're gonna pick them up, then we're gonna head back to Brian and Tracy's house. Guys, I am legit stopped in traffic right now. Well, I'm going a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty stopped. I can see all the way in front of me. There are like a quadrillion cars. Like, how does California have so many cars? But whatever. Anyway, I just had to show you, Jax is out like a light. He's so cute. Oh, look how cute you guys are. Hey, cheese. Oh, thank you.
Well, get in the chair. So
Cheese. You guys are cute. Jaxon got presents for everybody here. Oh, there's Cambria's. That one's Peyton's.
What do you say? Say no. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh,
Look
and
at
Jaxie has his. Look, they're
Oh, more pink shorts. Ooh. Wait, are these pajamas?
yes.
they
They're
have
summer
doggies on
and
them?
winter pajamas. Aren't they cute?
Nice.
Let's see what you got, Peyton. Let's see that.
Jax, you want to show them that you got some too?
Let's see, Jax.
Where's my other?
Are you so happy you made it to California? This is the only snow that Southern California will see, huh? So it's our first night in San Diego, and Jackson wants to finish all of his homework, huh? So you don't have to worry about it later.
Yeah, I can play tomorrow.
Yeah, you can just play and not have to worry about homework, huh?
And then I'm eating.
You're eating,
And then I am.
and then after your homework, okay, you eat more food.
Nice. Brian, you want to come watch?
Yeah, just.
Hey, Trace is our dentist, and she's gonna pull Jackson's tooth out. If you guys remember, Brian pulled out his first tooth, right? And then his second one, he tried holding on to it for Tracy pulled out.
No, I pulled it.
But then you ended up pulling it out, right? And
now you
now
have
he
another
has
one.
another one.
Go ahead and swallow for me.
What are you doing?
Taking out Jackson's tooth. Oh yeah, look at that one. He's like, look at that one.
You're doing great, Bubba. What hurts more, your ear or your tooth? Yeah.
You're a good big brother, Brian. Distract him.
Nice distraction. We're almost done. Make sure you swallow. There's just some facial soft tissue and just a tiny bit of root.
And if you let it sit for a little bit, the heme underneath will
Push it out. Yeah.
All these dental words that we don't understand, Jax.
He's a trooper, dude.
Oh, and just like that, your tooth came out.
Look at that one, dude. As I drop it on the ground. I'm just kidding. There you go. Put your hand. Put your hand open.
Good job.
Yeah, buddy.
Jax,
What?
your first night in California. Has it been awesome? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Yeah. It's been great, huh? Oh, you're so adorable.